connectivity conservation. We had the first inklings of Altai-Siam corridor, and we had China representatives, Russia, Mongolia, Kazakhstan, no, at that forum. It was decided that we should move forward with that. In 2010, the connectivity book was published, and that's provided some guidance for many, many people. In 2011, we had the Aichi targets say that we should do more about connectivity conservation, and it should be first principles approach about how we look after our biodiversity approach for the planet in conjunction with protected areas. In 2012, we've seen a legal document prepared about how we can do this work. And in 2012, we've just heard about strategies developed by governments and by communities for actually implementing corridor initiatives. This is just 4 years. We've come a long way, very, very quickly, and really I'm a little bit overwhelmed by this forum in terms of what has been achieved. The collaboration between commissions of IUCN has been outstanding, and I just hear and watch and see the presentations that have reflect this collaboration. I see the global need being identified by here through the Aichi target. I see the global responses. I see a network being launched, thanks to Olivier Chasseau and others that can help people with this corridor work. I see the excellence of the legal basis being, the complexity of it being portrayed very, very simply by Sandy, but also the opportunities through that very clear presentation of the various legal options. I see the various strategies, North America, Mesoamerica, Central Asia, Australia, coming forward. I hear that active management is needed for these sites. We've seen the fire, and we've heard of some of the frustrations and problems, the real-life problems for many of these corridors. We've heard about social needs and community, and the inspiration by many communities to actually make these corridors happen in the first place, but in their design, that they really do need to take into account the needs of people and their connectivity needs. We've heard the incremental nature and perseverance that has made corridors like the Altai-Siam gradually improve in their development and concept. And the good news we just heard about work in China. We've heard about the education aspects of working with communities and the need for communities to understand connectivity conservation. So these are many, many matters. It is a new type of land use. It has evolved quickly. It is inspirational what has happened, and I believe we are dealing with a new paradigm of conservation land use for the planet, and I see many, many opportunities for the future. And just as a glimpse of that future, how do we deal with flyways? Rather lush with the legal complexities of that. How do we deal with the great migrations of Africa and the corridors that need to be perhaps represented across various landscapes to look after these species? How do we deal with the great wild migrations, and we saw the wild shark migrations illustrated? These are ahead of us. We have come a long way, very quickly, but I believe we have just scratched the surface. So I leave you with that challenge. I'm inspired by the great work and the great collaboration that's happened between commissions like IUCN, working as one IUCN team. And I'd like to thank everyone here for their contributions today. Thank you very, very much.
I'd like to echo Graham's comments and thank everyone here for attending. I'd especially like to thank the people that presented and recognise while 4 minutes or a bit longer hardly did justice to the amazing work that you have done and are continuing to do. I encourage people to contact each of you to explore what's behind those 4-minute or 10-minute presentations. So again, thank you to the presenters, fantastic effort. And I guess perhaps fittingly thinking about the passing of Neil Armstrong that not so long ago, it's one small step. We're just sitting here today and we've got a long, long way to go in terms of our connectivity effort. So congratulations on the work today, and I look forward to our continued involvement in connectivity conservation across the planet. Thank you.